Alright, we're out here fixing up the K1500. We put a new fuel sending unit in there. Cleaned out the gas tank. Tell me if you ever seen something like this come out of a 97. Is that water damage? I don't know. But that thing looked like it overheated. Burnt down or some shit. But we put a new one in there. Cleaned out the fuel tank. Put a battery in there. She fired up first try. Shoot. Giving it its first wash in about 5 years. So, be on the road here in no time. Look at this. Alright, so this is what we're hauling today. See if we can fit this onto this trailer. We'll see. Stay tuned. Little info about this truck: it's got a 6-inch Rancho lift kit and it's got a 3-inch body, and in the back I think it's got a 2 or 3-inch block back there. Original 5.7 tree fitty with straight pipes all the way to that cat stack you already saw. Little tow mirrors, the smoothie bumper up front, and then it got a roll pan in the back. This is a big beast right here. The wheels are 20 by 14s on 37s. Makes them look like 35s. Stand back a little bit. Yeah, they look small, but big ass truck. Alright, YouTube, we're all loaded up. Look at that setup. That shit is sick, bro. 2 big ass trucks. Alright, we got it tied down. We are headed out to Dallas to a transmission shop. See if we can get a new one put in. See how long it takes too, but got it chained down. We need to stop at a tire shop to get more air in the tires. But here it is, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Don't piss on my tire, boy. right, we made it out here to Dallas. What's gonna happen is we gotta wait till Monday for the transmission shop to open. So what we're gonna do is park the truck right here next door. It's got a little fence, you know, it's got some security cameras. So we're gonna unload the truck and then we're gonna park it here so Monday we can get it fixed. What we can do is, so that people don't steal it, how we're fucking in Dallas on the south side, what we'll do is we'll take out some fuses and maybe they won't be able to start it. So now let's test it, see if it'll turn on. So here we are picking up the truck from the transmission shop. It took them a good 2 weeks to get it done because they broke the tie rod in the meantime. So good thing is back now, it's working, it's hauling ass, it's getting up to speed. Before it only had first and second gear, but now it's all good. Alright, so a little update on the truck is that I had actually sold it to a friend of mine a while back and he put the transmission in there, so I'll give all the credit to him. He found the transmission shop. All I did was help him transport it out there and saw my opportunity to make a video out of it. So here we are. Truck's running good. He's been driving it back and forth to work all week. I've been driving the Buick all week, so stay tuned for updates on that. And this truck will still be on the channel, so stay tuned for any upgrades that we do. Probably put a video out. I think our next video will be getting the Buick dyno tuned or either putting headers on the Vortec Max.